Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Paint It Pretty Polish, Purple Rain, and Uber Chic Art Deco Flair stamping plate. I've started off with Baby Girl Lacquer Peeleze, or Peel Off, I don't know. But this is Purple Rain and it's a thermal and magnetic. Look, look, look. It's so pretty. So I do have on the Baby Girl Lacquer, what did they call it? Glitter Be Gone. That's it. And that's my peel off base coat. I'm going to cap my free edge and get that little side there. And this first coat, pretty good, pretty good. And I am going to go ahead and magnetize it just a little bit. And then I'm going to go in with the second coat. And I held the magnet over it for probably about 10 seconds for that first one. I'm so crazy sometimes, y'all. I'm going to hold that magnet again, and I think I hold it a little bit longer on the second one. I did speed this part of the video up a little bit, so it's probably about 20 seconds that I hold the magnet over the polish. There we go. I'm going to top it with I&Ms out the door. My first of a couple of top coats. You know how we do it. But I do like to use a thinner top coat if I'm going to be doing stamping or whatever. So that is why we're using this one right now. Capping my free edge there. And then I did hold the magnet over it for another 20 seconds. There's a couple of different swatch photos. And here is Uber Chic's Art Deco Flair. This is another new plate that I purchased. I'm going to get that blue film off of it, because that's the only way it works. And I'm going to clean it with some acetone and wipe it with a paper towel. I'll also be using Bases Loaded Lacquer on the black. And my Monocle stamper from Maniology and my H. La Costadora scraper card. I'm going to pick that image up. This is going to be like my accent nail image. I know, you guys know how I am. I am cleaning my stamper off on a lint roller, and the plate's getting cleaned with pure acetone. And we're going to do this image again. I really like this image. I like this plate. Well, of course I like it. I purchased it. But, I'm getting to play with it. And I'm a swirly twirly girl. But I do like plates like this with, different from my swirly twirls. And then I decided to use one of those images just out of the middle. Some of the smaller images that don't cover the full nail. And this one kind of seemed like it would work well with my accent nail image. So I'm just going to run that down the center, or to the best of my ability, the center of my nail. And here we go. One more time. And I just really, really wanted to play with it. Try to, do something a little different. I'm going to hop in here with a piece of tape. Now, I changed my lighting here. This is more of a warm yellow light. It's kind of in between the warm and the cool. So, you guys let me know what you think. I never know what I'm going to have it set on, So there we go. We got that cleaned up with some tape. And now I'm going to hop in here with my cleanup brush and do the, better cleanup. And I'm going to top this one with the see, I don't like the color of that. I'm going to top it with the Maniology Smudge Free Top Coat. It changes the color of the polish. And once that is dry, I'm topping this with some Sèche Vite. Just trying to get this one finished up, and that Sèche Vite will give it the nice glossy look and make it dry quick too. There we go. Now I have 4 swatch photos because it is a thermal. Here we go. Oh, isn't that pretty? I love these, love these, love these. So I hope you enjoyed this. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think about this manicure. And that is it. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.